Do you know you can display your keyboard on your laptop or desktop screen? Alright, maybe you know that. But do you know how to and why you should use your on-screen keyboard? Okay, let's just jump to it. This is Thursday special on Insights for You today. Hello, intellect. Welcome to Insights for You today. This is your #1 YouTube educational and technological channel where we help you achieve your academic goals using modern technologies. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do so now so that you can get more videos just like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I guess you've done that already. Thanks. Mwah. On-screen keyboard is a built ease of use keyboard that you can use on your screen with your mouse. You don't need a touch screen to use an on-screen keyboard, but you can use it if you want. So why should you use an on-screen keyboard? 1. It's easier to use. Word processing your pieces of writing isn't easy. However, on-screen keyboard makes your typing very easy, especially because of the auto-generated words. Number 2, to overcome the physical keyboard difficulties. You know what? Keyboard difficulties have become rather frequent nowadays, right? Okay. Number 3, on-screen keyboard is particularly good for people with disabilities, especially people with mobility impediments. They could easily type using their mouse. Then the 4th reason why you should use an on-screen keyboard is it can be customized, unlike the physical keyboard. And finally, it's a good alternative to physical keyboard. Okay, so let's jump to it right now. On your screen, go to the Start button, then select Settings. From Settings, you go to the Ease of Access. Click on it, then scroll down a little more. Click on Keyboard right here and turn on the toggle under the use of on-screen keyboard. And here we are. A keyboard that can be used to move around the screen and enter text will automatically appear on your screen. The keyboard will remain on the screen unless you close it. So let's look at this. This is insightful. I just typed it now. You can look at the lovely pop-up words and selections just as your phone does. You can use the same process on Windows 7 and 10. Very simple, right? Don't we all love the easy way? If you want to see how to use the other available options in your on-screen keyboard, write "See More OS key" on the comment section below, and I will make a quick video just for you on Thursday special with Insights for You today. Alright, intellects, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Remember, you have all it takes to defeat unawareness. Love you.